Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to deploy a fast API backend with Replit. Super fast, super easy. Yeah. Before I even show you how to do that, I'm assuming you might know about Replit, but if you don't know what Replit is, basically it's an online editor, IDE, that allows you to build your ideas, turn your ideas to software fast. Replit has a lot of cool features on their online platform. For example, you can do pair programming, you can share your code, you can use their AI assistant, etc., etc. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be using their deploying feature that allows you to create a fast API backend and deploy like in 2 clicks. Yeah, let's give it a shot. So once you create a Replit account, what you're going to do is you're going to hit create REPL. You're going to type in FastAPI. Going to give it a name. Let's say they had a name that, yeah, just use that one. Let's make it public, create REPL. Nice. So this is a standard FastAPI backend. Very simple boilerplate code. You can add more endpoints. So I'm just gonna add another one. Let's see. Let's just call it get item and get items. And what we could do is we can actually use the AI editor here, and we can say modify this so it returns a list of items. Um, Generate some mock items, mock example items. Cool. Accept that. We're not going to take in an item ID. Actually, let's not take in anything at all. Cool. So yeah, I just updated it real quick. We can actually run it, and we can test that this fast API backend is working. So you see that the main root is sending back hello world. Let's try doing items. Let's give it a ID of 9. Cool. So you see that this endpoint's working, and let's try items. So the one that we created together, and you'll see that it sends back basically the mock items that the AI created for us. So anyway, so let's say you have this backend API and you're done editing it, working on it. You could deploy it. So you just click deploy, keep it at auto scale, and set up your deployment. Approve and configure build settings and deploy. Nice. So you see that it's provisioned, it's building, it's bundling it all together, and now promoting, which I think is like actually putting it up on the server, deploying it on the server. Cool. So that was like literally 30 seconds, I want to say. Uh, Hit the domain, and that's it. And if we come over here and put items, hit enter, you will see that the API is working. Pretty cool, pretty fast. Think that this is a great application if you're trying to prototype and build something really quickly. Imagine you're at a hackathon and you needed a backend to do a few things, query OpenAI, maybe do some basic things, and you wanted to build that backend really fast, deploy it so that way other people on your team in the hackathon can just start using this API, and they're just clients just using it back and forth, right? You could do that in literally 20 minutes or less, depending on your use case, obviously, right? But this just goes to show you how fast it is. Yeah, and speed is important because that's how you're able to move quickly and get shit done. That's all for today.